Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make authentic mutton curry. Take 1 kilo mutton meat. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons yogurt. Half teaspoon cumin powder. 2 teaspoons garam masala powder. 2 teaspoons coriander powder. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 2 teaspoons Kashmiri chili powder, or instead you can use 1.5 teaspoons normal chili powder. 2 teaspoons salt. 1 tablespoon garlic paste. 1 tablespoon ginger paste. And 2 tablespoons mustard oil. Mix everything together. Cover it and put aside for half an hour. Heat the pan and add 3 tablespoons mustard oil, 1 teaspoon panchforon, 2 bay leaves, 4 to 5 dry red chilies, 2 cinnamon sticks, and 4 cardamom. Stir it and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Add 3.5 medium onions sliced. Stir it and cook until it's slightly brown. Now add the marinated meat. Mix it. Cover the pan for 20 minutes on medium heat, but you can check on it in between. After 20 minutes, continuously stir it and cook until the spices are separated from the oil and it turns brown. At this point, add 1.5 chopped tomatoes, 4 to 5 green chilies. Mix it. Add 1.5 cup of hot water. Stir it. Cover the pan for another 20 minutes on medium heat. After 20 minutes, turn the flame off. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.